Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Identify what you have: a remote fob that operates locks, a transponder key that starts the engine, or a smart key. You must have at least one already programmed physical ignition key to self-program a replacement transponder. If all keys are lost, call a dealer or locksmith with a diagnostic tool. For remote-only programming, many Ford Escapes accept up to 4 remotes. Verify battery voltage above 12.0V. Have new key blanks and the new fob battery installed, and confirm the model year and trim before starting. To program a replacement remote fob on many Ford Escape years, close all doors and sit in the driver's seat. Turn the ignition from OFF to RUN 8 times within 10 seconds, ending in RUN. The doors will cycle to confirm entry into programming mode. Within 20 seconds, press any button on the new remote. The lock should cycle to confirm programming. Repeat that button press for additional remotes, up to 4 total. Then turn ignition OFF to exit programming mode, and test all remotes at both lock and unlock. Transponder key programming differs. If you have one working transponder key, a qualified locksmith can often add or clone a new key on the vehicle in roughly 10 to 30 minutes. If no keys exist, you must go to a dealer or locksmith with an OEM-level diagnostic tool to reset the vehicle's security module. Expect proof of ownership, a VIN check, and service fees. After programming, always test that each key starts the engine, that remotes lock and unlock doors, and that panic and trunk functions operate correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.